Alright, next part we're going to talk about is how to do one of the legs. So we're going to do this leg over here. So we're going to treat this similar to how we did the arm. So right now, again, off camera, I did the other arm. So your arm should be up like this. Please forgive the fact that these are hanging on. I'm trying to get these done in a reasonable amount of time. Again, if stuff like this happens, you just go in there with some more glue and you apply some more glue and stick it back on there. But we'll leave that for now. If I have time, I'll come back to that in a little bit. All right, so right now the leg kind of flops over like this. So what you're going to do is go down to the last crease, which is down here. We're going to fold it over and crease it. Same thing here. And same thing here. All right, so at that point, I have those creased. All right, so now I have that done. Now it's time to go around and do these tabs. So, I'm in there like that. Now I'm going to do that, and that, and that. Okay, that's done. I'm going to do this one. Okay. Yeah, I'm just going around and I'm just folding all the tabs. Okay. All right, so now it's time to roll it up. So, trying to think about how best to go about this. All right, so the leg is going to be rolling up like this, and then that's going to be flapping in there like that. Okay? All right, so glue time. Get some glue onto here. Roll that around and stick that on there. Like this. Alright, I'm going to try to crimp it down and apply pressure to get that glue to seat. Okay. Now I'm going to go over here and get this side. Okay. Fold those up in there like so. All right. Got a little bit of too much on my hands here. I'm going to try this again. All right, stuff those in there. One thing I'm running into is that you'll notice how this kind of came apart. I'd probably better fix that before I try going out the rest of it. And this is going to happen quite a bit because, again, once the glue sets up, it gets very brittle. When you start doing all this folding and everything else, it's going to break the glue bonds. Okay, now that I have that repaired, I'm going to try again for this. There we go. Okay. Now I'm just going to try to go around the edges and crimp that glue seam in there. Okay. All right, now for this side. So I'm going to get here and here. Okay. Fold this in like so. And press down. Okay. All right, there we go. Okay. All right, so now this leg is done. Now it's going to be time to do the other one.